Once upon a time, in the year 2050, there was a young boy named Juan. Juan was born and raised in a small village where Spanish was the only language spoken. However, as he grew older, he became increasingly interested in the world beyond his village. He would often daydream about what it would be like to live in the big city, where there were all sorts of exciting opportunities. One day, Juan decided that he couldn't wait any longer. He packed his bags and set off on a journey to the big city. When he arrived, he was amazed by all the futuristic technology that surrounded him. There were robots everywhere, doing all sorts of jobs, from cleaning the streets to cooking in restaurants. It was like something out of a science fiction movie. Juan soon realized that in this new world, English was the dominant language. Everywhere he went, people were speaking it, and all the signs and advertisements were in English. He also found out that almost all the jobs were given to those who could speak English fluently. Juan was worried. He didn't speak a word of English, and he had no idea how he was going to find a job. Feeling hopeless and desperate, Juan decided to seek help. He wandered the streets looking for someone who could teach him English. After a few days, he met a kind lady named Maria, who offered to teach him English. Maria was a retired English teacher, and she saw the potential in Juan. She agreed to teach him English in exchange for him helping her with some chores around the house. Juan was a quick learner, and within a few months, he had a good command of English. He was now able to communicate with people and understand the signs and advertisements. He felt more confident and hopeful. Juan thanked Maria for all her help and promised to pay it forward one day. Juan went back to the job market, and this time, he was able to find a job as a delivery boy for a big company. The company was run by AI, and it had a robot that would inspect the applicants. The robot would ask some basic questions in English, and if the applicant couldn't answer them, they would be rejected. Juan was able to answer the questions, and the robot was impressed by his English skills. He was hired on the spot. Juan was overjoyed and grateful for the help of Maria. He realized that without her help, he would not have been able to find a job in this new world. Juan worked hard and was soon promoted to a higher position in the company. He was able to support his family and send money back to his village. He never forgot his roots and always remembered the importance of learning a new language. Years passed by. Juan became very successful in his career and decided to give back to the community. He started teaching English to non-English speakers, just like Maria had done for him. He wanted to give others the same opportunity he had received. Juan's story spread far and wide, and he became a role model for many people. He showed them that with hard work and determination, they too could overcome language barriers and achieve their dreams.